Okay, welcome along again to Level 3 Economics, and in this clip we're going to look at how do we measure marginal utility. Now remember yesterday on the last clip we looked at what is marginal utility, and we looked at the word marginal being one or extra and utility being benefit or satisfaction. So marginal utility is the extra benefit or satisfaction we get from consuming one more good or service. And yesterday we looked at the idea of how much benefit or we get from eating a hamburger. So today I'm going to use a slightly different example. I'm going to say, imagine we go to a cafe and we go there and we get a cup of coffee. Now again, like yesterday, just picking up on the idea yesterday, I just had a really simple measure. What was that sort of sense of satisfaction that I got, that sort of nom 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 or yum 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 that I got from that cup? Now the trouble is, how do you actually measure that? Now economists have come up with ideas such as utils, but they're kind of hard to actually measure. So we're going to use a really simple measure of satisfaction, and that is one which you're all familiar with, money or dollars. Now, for those of you who haven't done economics before, one of the functions of money, one of the things we do with money is we use it to measure value. Money is a measure of value, and that's really useful because it allows us to compare things. So we're going to measure marginal utility in dollars. Now let's take an example. Imagine I want to compare the benefit I get from, say, a netbook to a can of Coke. So the netbook is worth $1,350. It's a really nice one, and that's the benefit that I think that I get from it. Roughly $1,350 worth of benefit. Now that clearly is worth more than a can of Coke, but I can actually put a money value on that. And let's say that can of Coke is worth $1. So the money is a really quick way of comparing how much benefit or satisfaction I get from those two different goods. Clearly, I get a lot more satisfaction from the netbook, $1,350, than I do from the can of Coke, which is only $1. Okay, so that's how we measure marginal utility, using dollars.